Hello everyone, this is Rishab Sonthalia from the Department of Data Science and Artificial Intelligence IIT Guwahati. Today I'm going to talk about the patient registration system for the IIT hospital. This is my course project. So let's get started. First I will introduce, then I will talk about the problem statement, then the proposed solution, then I'm going to talk about the various features and pages that I've added in my system, and then I will go through ER diagram and the design document, and then I will draw conclusion. So today we are introducing the patient registration system for the IIT hospital. It is used to streamline the complex process and enhance the patient experience. As we navigate through its key features and functionalities, we will see how it simplifies the patient's journey, that empowers healthcare providers, and brings efficiency to the forefront of hospital management. So let's talk about the problem statement and solution. So what is the problem statement? So basically what problems that we are facing today. So in the fast-paced environment of IDG hospital, managing a multitude of tasks from the patient registration to the appointment scheduling poses significant challenges. So the first is the inefficiency in registration. Prolonged waiting times and paperwork lead to patient dissatisfaction and administrative bottlenecks. And then also we have the scheduling conflict, that is coordinating schedules for various specialists often results in overlaps, causing delays and frustration for both the patient and doctors. And quick access to the accurate medical records is hindered by the fragmented system that we have currently. And also the manual billing process are error prone and inefficient, that delays the financial settlement and the insurance claims too. Also there is a huge communication gaps within the various departments within the hospital. So these are various problems that are there in today's system. So to solve those problems, we are introducing the patient registration system. So what are the problems that are being solved by the system? The first is the streamlined registration, a digital registration portal that speeds up the process while enhancing the patient experience. And also we have the smart scheduling, that is an advanced scheduling system that resolves conflicts efficiently, managing doctors' availabilities and patient appointments. Also, we have an integrated medical record, that is a centralized database that allows instant access to the patient medical histories, ensuring timely and accurate medical care. Also, we have an automated financial that is billing system that accurately process charges, reducing errors and streamline insurance workflows. Also, we have a robust, seamless communication between every department within the hospital that promote the transparency and also the efficiency. So these are the technology that I've used in this system, in this project. First is the PHP for the server-side scripting to construct a backbone of our portal, and the MySQL as a database which uses the tabular way to store various data. For the front end, we are using HTML5 and CSS3, and also JavaScript for the that is used for the integrated for client-side scripting, adding interactivity and dynamic features to our web pages too. So what are the features? Let's talk about the features and various web pages in our project. Obviously, when we enter to our project, we will definitely go through this home page. It has basically 5 major sections: admin, doctors, patient, lab, and pharmacy. So they can log in as they are. Also, we have a very engaging visuals, as you can see. There features professional and welcoming imaginary. And also for immediate access, I have added a special button for learn more and sign in. And also for the hospital location, an interactive map feature that allows patients to find the exact location of IITG hospital, that ensure that they can easily plan their visit. So obviously this is the homepage of our project. So now coming to security. So for the security, what we're using, we have a secure login process for all the users that utilize the username and password combination to protect against unauthorized access. For a password, we are using MD5 hashing technique that ensure that actual passwords are not stored in the database as it is. Only after hashing it is being stored in the database to hide the password from different users. And also we have a login logout tracking, that is every login and logout action is logged with the details such as user ID, timestamp and IP address. This creates a comprehensive audio trail that aids in security, monitoring and forensic analysis. Also we have administrative monitoring for user and doctor activities, that is the system allows administrator to view detailed logs of our user activities, including the doctor's interaction histories with the system. This features helps in overseeing user behavior, ensuring compliance with hospital policies, and aids in the quick identification, resolution of any operational basis. Now let's head toward the patient dashboard. As you can see here, this is our patient dashboard. So once login, the patient will be assigned their personalized dashboard. So our digital registration form simplifies the patient onboarding process. Patient can enter their detailed wants, and our system will auto-populate relevant feature in the future, saving time during future visits. Also, we have a personalized patient dashboard, as you can see in the picture. Upon registration, the patient can access to their user-friendly dashboard. Here, they can monitor their appointment history, their appointment schedule. They can view and update their medical records, and also they can manage their personal information with ease. Also, the system ensures that the patient's medical history, including past treatment, diagnosis, is meticulously recorded and easily accessible to authorized healthcare providers, allowing for informed decision making. So, now for appointment scheduling, the patient can easily book appointment online. So patient can effortlessly book the appointment with the appropriate specialist through filter-based search. So what is the filter-based search? For example, if you approach the doctor first, you will select the doctor specialization, and accordingly, the doctors under that particular specialization will be displayed, and according to the person can book the appointment. The system also have a real-time update to ensure that any cancellation or reschedules are immediately reflected, preventing double booking or optimizing doctor schedules. And our system automatically sends appointment confirmation and reminder via SMS and email, reducing no-shows and ensuring that patients stay informed about the upcoming appointments. Now let's go to the doctor dashboard. So this is the doctor dashboard, as you can see in the picture. Each doctor has a comprehensive profile listing their qualification, areas of specialization, consultation hours, and direct communication channels for appointments. We have intuitive schedule management, that is, doctor can easily manage their schedules. It can view its patient list, adjust their availability, all within an interface designed to minimize administrative tasks and maximize patient facing time. And also the doctor has the access to the patient information. So before consultation, doctor can easily review the patient medical histories and previous notes, ensuring they are well prepared for each appointment. And also the doctor can generate prescription with sync with the pharmacy model. It can also allocate rooms instantly based on the patient condition and availability. It can also review the test report within the moments of it is uploaded by the lab. So all the things are quite digitalized here. Again, the billing system. So obviously the patient has to pay the bill. So we have a dedicated billing system for it. So we have an automated billing system with each patient wages or treatment charges are automatically compiled into a detailed bill with three major categories. There is room charge, medication, and consultation fee that streamlines the payment process. We also have insurance handling. The system is equipped to manage insurance deals, automatically calculating the payable amount after insurance contribution, simplifying the financial experience for patients. For example, the by default insurance amount is let's say 50k. Now once the 50k is over on that particular patient, the patient has to pay the remaining amount through our portal. So this is the insurance handling that is there in our system. We also have a consolidated the financial record, that is all billing information is integrated into the patient's profile, allowing for easy tracking of past payments and outstanding balances, enhancing transparency for both patients and hospital staff. And also we have a dummy payment gateway. Our system indicates a dummy payment gateway that simulates the financial transaction for training and demonstration purposes. This feature allows staff to familiarize themselves with the payment process without conducting real transactions. So now coming to the medical prescription. So we have a digitalized medical prescription, as you can see in the picture. So this is the digitalized machine generated prescription. So the system allows doctor to quickly create electronic prescription during patient visits, which are immediately saved to the patient digital health record. Patient can view their current past prescription through their personal dashboard, making it easy to track their medication schedules and details. We also have a pharmacy integration, that is, prescription are electronically transmitted to the pharmacy model, enabling pharmacists to prepare medication in advance of patient pickup. So again, this will increase the efficiency. So we have a medication history review. Both doctors and patient can review medication history to monitor ongoing treatments and avoid potential drug interaction that improving overall treatment safety and efficacy. Again, we have a printable prescription that for added convenience, the system offers the ability to print the prescription if a physical copy is needed for external pharmacies or personal records. Now, room management. We have automated room management. Upon the patient admission, the system automatically suggests room assignment based on the patient care requirements, room availability, and streamlining the admission process. So this is the the room management system. As you can see, we have view room inside the admin, where each details of the room is being reflected. The system keeps real-time tabs on room occupancy, clearly displaying which rooms are occupied and which are not. And again, we have a room detail management. Each room details, including type, capacity, and the associated cost, are meticulously managed within the system, allowing for transparent billing and accommodation planning. Also, we have a room allocation history for in-depth patient care and administrative review. The system maintains a log of patient room history, providing insight into room utilization patterns and patient stays. And also, we have integrated with other modules. The room management is fully integrated with the billing system to automatically include room charges and patient bills, as well with the auto appointment and discharge system to optimize hospital bed management. So we have talked about the prescription. Now let's talk about the reports. So this is the digitally generated report. So rapid upload and availability. Immediately after lab tests are completed, if results are uploaded to the system, this enables healthcare providers and patients to view results without delaying supporting timely medical decision. We will directly link to the patient profile. That is, each test is linked directly to the respective patient profile, keeping a consolidated record that facilitates comprehensive health monitoring and historical analysis. Again, we can download the reports as per convenience, and we have a streamlined communication within the labs. That is, once uploaded by the lab, it can be easily accessed by the patient and the doctor for their reference. We have the laboratory service management. So again, we have a separate data dashboard for the laboratory where they can add test reports, they can view drugs, as you can see in this picture. So test order processing. The laboratory model efficiently handles the processing of test orders. Once a test is requested by the doctor or lab, it receives an automated notification to ensure prompt action. And also we have a result entry and access. As tests are completed, lab technicians enter the result directly into the system. These results are then immediately transferred to the doctor, to the patient, ensuring timely diagnosis and treatment. And again, we have a communication efficiency here because it is seamless communication between the lab and the patient and the doctor. So also we have integrated the pharmacy in our system. So we have a separate dashboard for the pharmacy where they can see the prescription of each patient, and accordingly they can give a drug to the patient. They can add drug or modify the drug data in the database, and also they can add the bill of those drugs in the system. So we have prescription processing. When doctor writes prescription, it can be easily seen by the pharmacy model. We have inventory management, as we have talked, that it helps in a real-time track of the medication stock levels. It can add and modify the stock accordingly. We also have a drug dispensing and billing integrated directly within the billing system. The pharmacy ensures that all dispensed medication are accurately billed and recorded, streamlining the payment process and reducing the administrative burdens. So for communication, we also have the feature for communication and feedback. So direct messaging capabilities, the system and features an integrated messaging platform that enables direct and secure communication between patients and healthcare providers. This facilitates immediate consultation, follow-ups, and clarification, enhancing the continuity and personalization of care. We also have a feedback system where patient can encourage the user system feedback model to leave comments regarding their experience with hospital services. The system also automatically routes feedback to relevant departments and management personnel, ensuring that it is reviewed and acted upon promptly. So, now coming to the database. So this is our database that we have used in this project. So as you can see, we have a total of 16 tables. We will discuss about it. So this is the ER diagram for our database. We have an admin appoints doctor, pharmacy, and laboratories. The pharmacy adds the drug in the inventory which has some category. Now the doctor now can write prescription, and doctor has some specialization of some type, and the laboratory writes the test report, which is being accessed by the patient. The patient can will be assigned room, and it pays bills. So this is the overall ER diagram that I have used in this project. So this is the database snapshot that I have taken from my the PHP MyAdmin. So as you can see, I have a total of 16 tables that I've used here: admin, appointment, bill, doctor log, doctor specialization, drug category, drug table, and pharmacy, rooms table, contact us table, medical history, so patient test report table, and user log. So this is the snapshot for all the table that I've used. So this is a schema, that is each table and its all attributes is being shown here. So you can see the table, the patient have this many attributes: pharmacy, then medical history, laboratories, appointment, admin, user log, bill. So this is the schema that I have used in my database of, again, entire 16 tables. Excuse me. So I have also attached some of the snapshot of my website. You can see the home page, the various dashboard, and this is the payment gateway, the dummy payment gateway that I have linked here. So for the conclusion, as we reach the end of our presentation, it's clear that our patient tracing system is changing things for betterment of ITG hospital. It's like we have built a new, faster road that connects patients to hospital, doctors, and health services more directly than ever before. This system is not just about cutting down on paperwork or wait times. It's about making sure that everyone who comes to us for help gets it quickly and smoothly. With every step we have taken in developing system, we have only one goal in our mind. What is that goal? To make the healthcare better, more straightforward, and more reliable. Now that we are here looking at how far we have come, we are excited to keep moving forward, improving how we look about after our community's health. So thank you very much. Now let's head towards the demo of my project, which will help you see what is going on. So now I'm going to give the demo of my project. So this is the home page. If I scroll down, I can see this form of contact us where I can fill my name, email, and phone number, and my message too. And also this is the footer, and this is some links. On clicking, you can go to the map of IT's hospital. So this is not the main thing, so let's get started. So here, as you can see, we have 5 main views: admin, doctor, patient, lab, and pharmacy. So let's go to patient. So let's say I'm going to create a new patient. Let's say the patient name is Rishab, address is, let's say, IITG, city, let's say Guwahati. My contact number, let me just enter a random number here, and let's say my date of birth is, let's say, 11, which is not practical. Okay, let me change it. Let's say my date of birth is on Feb 1. I'm obviously male, so let me enter my email ID, a random email ID, rishab1@gmail.com. So you can see this email is available for registration. That means it is not being used before by any other user. And also let me enter our password 123456 and 123456. So now I have been successfully registered, and this data is being stored in my database. So let me just show you my database. This is my database of HMS, and if you see in table patient, yes, so the number 18, this is being stored. Now let me log in. Okay, so obviously I have deliberately entered a wrong password so obviously it will have the error handling if the password input is wrong. Let me just go to the patient dashboard. So this is the patient dashboard. So my profile, you can appoint and view the appointment history. You can book appointment. So let's see, let me just select a doctor. This is how you book. So the consultation fee is auto generated here. It is 400, and let's say the date of appointment is 22 of April. Time is automatically generated here. So my appointment has been booked successfully. So I can go to my appointment history, and you can see that my appointment is scheduled on 22 April. So I can also cancel my appointment here. If I click on this cancel button, it will be cancelled, but I won't now. Now in the status report, I can also view the report. So this is the various report that I have. So I can also download the report, and let me download this report. Yeah. So if I open this, you can see this is the report that is being generated. So this is a report on the complete blood cell count, blood glucose. Okay, so now I can also head towards prescription. I can this is my entire detail of prescription, my body pressure, weight, and the visit date for appointment. This is my past appointment that I have done. I can also download the prescription here very easily. This is a prescription that is being given by the doctor to me. So I can also view the room that is being assigned to me currently. So room number 101 in the hospital, that rank 100, let's say. So this is the appointment history that I have. So this is the overall experience that we have. Also we have a billing process. So okay, I will come to this bill after a couple of seconds. So this is the entire table for the bill. So we have a room charge, medication charge, consultation fee, total charge, and the status is paid. So every bill is paid here. So I will come to this later. So let me also I have now here you can see also I have a feature to change the password of the user very easily, and let me log out now. I will head towards this dashboard and let me log in as a doctor. So the doctor name, as far as I remember, is this, and okay, this is incorrect. Let me just enter a correct doctor ID. Okay, again it's incorrect. Okay, nice. So this is the doctor dashboard. You can see my profile. That the doctor can edit its profile also. You can edit its name. You can select the specialization that he is in, and he can see the history. So now we have seen that I have so Aman has booked appointment on 22 April that we have just did. So doctor can view this. So the doctor also has a chance to cancel the appointment if he wants. So I'm not going to cancel it now. This is the appointment history. Now doctor can also manage all the patients that being assigned to the doctor. So it can edit the patient data. It can add and view the prescription. So let's see if the doctor wants to add the prescription, he can easily so do it here. Let's say the blood sugar is 90, the weight is let's say 72 kilogram. Again the body temperature is like 70, like 97 Fahrenheit. Okay. So any prescription he can recommend, like drug one tab per day, let's say for 30 days, so etc. You can write the prescription and you can submit it. So once submission is done, you can easily go to download prescription, and it will download the prescription that I have written it just now. So you can see it here. Now it can also view the report of the previous patient that is being assigned to him. It can add bill. Let's say the patient number 8, he has assigned a bill of 400 with consultation fee. So bill is added in the Aman's database. So it can also view its room of its various patient. It can assign room to the patients. Okay, it can easily assign the rooms. Let's say room number is 102, so he can easily assign the room. So also the doctor can view the available drug in the pharmacy database, and also you can search patient by its name. So okay, no record is found. If I hit Aman, then it should work. So you can see Aman and Naman. So within Naman, Aman is a subset of Naman. Okay, in my name. So this is the overall doctor experience in the doctor dashboard. Let me log out now. Let me log in as an admin. So admin, obviously, as the name suggests, has access to everything. So you can see admin can add doctor, it can add another admin, it can add a laboratory, it can add a pharmacist, it can also manage patient, it can update the insurance here, and appointment history. So Also, you can add and view report, it can add and view drugs, bills, etc. So everything is done by the admin. So the same thing I'm going to do here. So this is the overall admin dashboard. Okay, you can see the number of patients in the hospital, the total appointments, total number of patients that is being registered, and new queries. So it can also change its password. So this is the overall admin dashboard. Now let me log out it and let me log in as a lab, as a laboratory. So let's say the name of laboratory is this, and okay, yeah. So this is the laboratory's dashboard. It can add report, it can view report. You can see you the laboratories can easily add reports. So how the report is being added? Let's say the patient ID is, let's say, 8. Test type, let's say blood sugar. The test date is, let's say, it's 22. And report some report here written. Let's say some XYZ, like blah blah blah, and some result, blah 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 blah. So this is definitely some random text I'm adding here. So it can easily, the lab report is easily added. You can also view the report here that is being added. So this is the blood sugar that I've added just now. You can download the report from anywhere. So again, this is the report that that is generated. Also, it has access to view drug. The laboratories can view drug also. So this is the overall drug data in the database. So you can change password. You can view to my profile. Let me log out and log in as a pharmacist. Okay, I'm keep forgetting the passwords. So this is the pharmacy dashboard. It can manage patient. It can view prescription of every patient. It can add the drug category. It can view drug, etc. It can like add bill. Let's say I'm going to add bill. So Aman has bought medicines of worth ₹1,000. So I can easily add the bill, and this bill is being stored in the Aman's database. So he can view his profile, he can change password, he can now, let me log out it. Now let me just show you the payment gateway that is being integrated in my system. So let me go through to payment gateway. Okay. Now if I have logged in as a patient, I'm going to view bill. Now you can see total charge is 400 and the amount to be paid is 400. So why it is so? Because if you go to the database in table patient, Aman's insurance is 0 now because he has exhausted his limit of 50k. If you see other people's insurance like Raghav and Bonti, they have still their insurance of the 49,000 or 50,000 in hand, but Aman has exhausted his insurance of let's say 1 year. So on adding new bills, it will be updated in Aman account and the status of the bill is coming as pending. Now if the same bill is added in the Raghav database or Bonti database, okay, since the insurance is not equal to 0, it implies that the status of the pay of the bill will be automatically, by default, it will be paid. I will not have a. Okay, so now let me go through this payment gateway. So this is a dummy payment gateway. Okay, so I can enter a random card number, a random CVV, and click on submit payment. I can enter a random OTP. So everything is random because it is a dummy payment gateway. I am not integrated it with the original payment gateway. I can verify the OTP, and once successful payment, it will redirect to me to this payable. And now you can see the payment status is now paid. So once payment is done, everything is updated in the database. So this is the billing system in our database, and also the insurance system that I have explained you. Let's log out. So this is the project demo. Now one more thing is left. You can easily contact us. In contact, you can easily write any email and phone number to contact to the hospital for any query. Let's say any message you can write here. Let's say any message or random message. So I can send this message. So information is submitted successfully. Now if I go to the database, I will contact us. So this is the information that Aman has registered on 20 April. This is the message that Aman has put forward. So this is the overall demo for my course project. Now I will go through the code of this project briefly to see what is happening right now. So let's head towards the code. So now I'm going to brief about the code. I will just brief about the structure of my code. This is this README file where all the features of my project and the installation steps have been written successfully with all the login credentials. This is the SQL database. Just import the database in the space my admin and you will get this all the database. And this is the main folder. This is the hospital. This index.html is nothing but the main homepage of my project, of my website, from where you can direct towards admin, you can direct towards doctors, patient, laboratories, and pharmacy, etc. And in the HMS folder, I have a separate folder for admin, doctor, laboratories, and pharmacies. And we have different folder like FS and etc. These all files are for the patient access. I have not created a separate folder for a patient. And once successful login, so from the home page, definitely the patient is going to direct towards this user login .php. This is the login menu. Here he enters his username and password, and it will start a SQL query. Like select this from the table present where my email is this and password is this. It will retrieve certain number of rows. The number of rows is greater than 0 implies that the password and email, the password and the email is there in the database. So it will hence us create a successful login. And it will start a session, and the username and ID is being stored in the session login and ID. And if it is not, then it will throw an error that is invalid username or password, and it will insert the login credentials in the user log history. So this is the patient. So in all this file like download prescription and edit profile, forgot password, I'm doing the CRUD operation, that is create, read, update, and delete. So accordingly you can see it. So every file is well defined of its own function. Now similarly, I've defined the same number of files, not same number of files, but yeah, the same structure in every folder for admin, doctor, pharmacy, and etc. So again, the admin will log in and head towards the dashboard. Okay, from the dashboard, we're including the footer, we're including in the include folder we have the header, I have the sidebar specifically for the admin. And again, similarly for the doctor, I have in the include folder the sidebar footer specifically for the doctor also, and the dashboard specifically for the doctor. So everything is very well organized in my code. Again, in the laboratories part, it has a separate dashboard and every function is well defined here. And similarly for the pharmacy also. So this is overall code structure of my project. So the code is very well defined and segregated into different folders for well accessed. So thank you very much. This is my entire presentation of the patient registration system for IIT Guwahati Hospital. I hope you like it. Thank you. Signing off, Rishab Sonthalia.